It's Yasmin here from Pamper Sampler, and I wanted to show you an eyelash conditioner that I've been trying for the last few months. It's called EyEnvy, and it's a vegan product containing vitamins and peptides to strengthen and condition your lashes. So you only need a small amount, and I'll show you. So you're putting the product at the base of the lashes and you're working from the outside to the inside, so most of the product is being applied where you want it, and then we do the other side just the same. So it's a once a day product, in the morning after you've showered and before you put on makeup. And I've definitely noticed an improvement in my eyelashes. They're a lot thicker and the length of them is a lot longer. So I'm very pleased. Thanks.